Familiar with Sloss Furnace. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of Sloss Furnace. Of the Sloss Furnace, and these are furnaces that really it's the only one that's remaining in the city that used to bring the ore down from the Red Mountain that we were on a couple days ago, and they would mix it here with coke, as I understand it, and that would turn it into steel, and they heat it up, and then they'd take it out to the west end of Birmingham, and that's where the rolling plants were to create the steel that was then shipped all over the United States, and particularly during World War II.
National park, the state park.
Well, this here is on the National Historic Register. And I assume these are each furnaces that then drew air down and they stoked. And this is a game from Chattanooga, Tennessee. This is a ladle. It was used to transport molten steel from one part of the plant to the other. This is one of the two remaining furnaces. The originals were built in the 1880s. And they would put the iron ore and lime and coke into here, heat it to extreme temperatures, and that would turn it into steel. Then out of the sides, as you can see here, they had drains, because on the bottom of the furnace the slag would accumulate, and they would drain that off. They would then sell that to be used in making of concrete for building of highways around the Birmingham area. Give you more perspective of the size of the furnace, where they pumped the ingredients needed to make steel, which was iron ore, coke, lime, and dolomite. And it would pump into that furnace and be heated to extreme temperatures to then make iron ore. Or excuse me, steel. A Back 40 Brewing Company, adjacent to the Sloss Furnace facility, right over there. A new spot in Birmingham, Alabama. A new establishment right next to Sloss Furnace, and it's a brewery actually out of Gadsden that has been very successful as a microbrewer, and has now opened a restaurant in a very industrial area that they bought what used to be a warehouse, and are now turning it into a trendy restaurant. As you can see, it's drawing a good crowd. So they do brew the beer here, or at least certain elements of it, and the menu indicates there's about 5 of them that they brew here, and that would look about right here. So very, very interesting place. This is the Back 40. I got a cheeseburger and fries, and Nita got a fish sandwich and fries, and as you can see, they're very abundant number of fries and a good sized sandwich, along with our, what is it, 2/10 ESP beer.